Hello traders. In this video I will share expert advisors that have made consistent profits from 2021 and are still making profits until the time of this video. This expert advisor is called FX Core 100. This expert advisor is designed for market pairs Euro-USD. I will discuss a few things about this Forex expert advisor that runs on Euro-USD. If you are interested in trading Forex with an expert advisor, this channel might be suitable for you. You will get a complete free air along with its review. So, don't hesitate to join by clicking subscribe on the button below the video. And of course it's free without paying. One. Recommendations for use. Starting from one of the HG Trade channel subscribers who asked for the best Forex trading advice using expert advisors with large capital. He also mentioned the FX Core 100 expert advisor. After I found out, this expert advisor caught my attention. So I decided to review and share the FX Core 100 expert advisor on this occasion. Thank you to those of you who have shared your questions and suggestions in the comments column. I have shared this expert advisor on the website hgtrade-air.com. If you are interested you can visit it. The way this expert advisor works is to use a scalper type trading which will enter and exit the market with basic analysis every tick. If the conditions of the option meet, then it will be an open position. It is also said that this expert advisor has risk management that can protect your equity. This Forex expert advisor is quite different from other expert advisors. There are two types of expert advisors, namely for buy options and for sell options. You can open two pairs Euro-USD. One is set for the buy option and the other is set for the sell option. To manage risk, explain based on the time frame you are using. If you use a time frame, expect low time, it will be more dangerous however with higher profits. And if you use a high time frame, then the risk will be more pressed to reduce the risk of high drawdown, but with lower profits. On the other hand, this will give you a sense of security in Forex trading using the FX Core 100 expert advisor. Needy is known also that martingale strategy is well used in this expert advisor, intended to achieve a high return on investment. The stability of these expert advisors is pretty good, but sometimes also a little risky. The most effective way to get big profits is to let your account return the initial deposit capital with low risk, and after your deposit comes back, let this expert advisor blow up your account with huge profits that are produced. Of course this needs to be observed first. I suggest you try first on a demo account for at least 1 month until you are sure to switch to a real account. Recommendations for FX Core 100 AIR. You can pay attention to this information to adjust the time frame based on the capital you use. I also suggest several trusted brokers who have their respective advantages. If you are interested you can register from the link that I have provided on the HG Trade website and the video description. To run Expert Advisor FX Core, of course, you also have to use a VPS with very low latency. You can try the VPS trial for free at the link in the video description. Two. Trading results are verified from MyFxbook. Trading starts from November 2021. Profit information. The profit produced looks very stable and continues to generate profits to date. Drawdown at 26.57%. Average monthly income of 6.76%. And the daily estimate is at 0.22%. The profit produced 201.08%. I think these are realistic numbers for Forex trading using expert advisors with long-term results to continue to make profits. And they're capitalized also quite big. That means profit produced is quite big too. Informazi Advanced Statistics. Total trading from November 2021 to date is 17,474 transactions, with a profit ratio of 75%. Profit factor 1.74. The average trading time is 4 hours. And the rest of the other information you can see here. There are quite a lot of pairs that are run here, but the highest profits are in pairs Euro-USD, with the profits produced over 12,000 euros. From hourly information, we can get that expert advisors operate all the time 24 hours from Monday to Friday. Trading activity information. Even with a large capital, every transaction that is opened still uses a small lot, namely 0.01, with a profit of around 0.52 euro. Monthly analytics information. We will see the profit results from 2021, 2022 and 2023. We can see that the advantages are produced quite stable and profitable without any losses in certain months. Three. How to download AIR and run AIR. I've already shared this expert advisor is free. If you are interested, you can visit the website hgtrade-air.com. Download the two expert advisor files that I shared and run the expert advisor in the terminal MetaTrader U. I've been running FX Core 100 since March 24, 2023. And it's currently March 25, 2023, Saturday. Expert advisor stops running. I'm running on an hour or H1 time frame. Pair that I run only Euro-USD only. And the preset that I use is also the default. You can see trading results here. New trading runs 22 hours. For additional information, I have connected my trading account with my MyFxbook account. Okay, that's the video about the review of FX Core 100 AIR Forex Expert Advisor that runs on the pair Euro-USD. I advise you to try it first on a demo account for at least 1 month, so you will know more about how this expert advisor works. And if you want to use real money, make sure to use safe money that does not bother your life, and not recommended to use bank loan money. The risks and profits are in your hands. Be wise in making decisions. I hope one day you can succeed financially. Thanks for watching till the end. Support this channel by clicking like and share. Thank you very much.